Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact iPhone model and the replacement part so you don't buy the wrong component. Once done, assemble a small dedicated toolkit: pentalobe, tri-point, spudger, suction cup, ESD strap. These are non-negotiable. Next, power the phone down and remove the SIM tray to prevent damage. Then remove the 2 lightning port pentalobe screws and apply a suction cup near the screen edge. This creates the initial gap, so you can start prying the display safely. Once the display gap is created, you lift from the lower edge slowly and hinge it like a book. Do not pull straight up. Immediately make disconnecting the battery your priority. That avoids shorts while you handle other connectors. Next, remove shielding plates and disconnect the display, front camera, and other flex cables in the correct sequence, keeping screws and tiny parts organized. Use gentle heat to soften adhesive on batteries or screens. This helps you separate parts without bending or tearing flexes. You install the new part by aligning connectors and pressing them in until they click, then reattach shielding and screws in reverse order. Once reassembled enough to test, power the phone on and check touchscreen, display brightness, cameras, charging, and Face ID if present. This verifies the repair before final sealing. If something fails, don't panic. Power down, open it, and inspect each connector for seating or bent pins. Try swapping a known good cable, and confirm no adhesive or debris is preventing contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.